Yo, what's up, people? People. Why did I say it like that? What's up, my people? There we go. What's up, my gente? What's up, my raza? La raza del gallo negro. Ya te la sabes. La raza del gallo negro, because we're all fucking gallos out here. You already know. Uh, there's 4 things I want to cover today. And before we get into it, I just like to say like, comment, sub, share, and push that notification bell. It helps me a lot. And not only that, but when you share it, another homie gets to see the video, and the more homies that see the video, the better, because I just wanna say thank you, and to all of you for being here, And yeah, man, I hope you get to share it with the homie. So let's get straight into the video, right? So the one and most foremost is I'm so sorry that I have not been uploading. And I want to say it's not an excuse, but I want to say that it's kind of, I lost track of time, and oh my god, I was too, sorry guys, I was too holed up with work, maintaining the house, and the other requirements to the house, and so it's not an excuse again, but just sorry for not uploading. It's just everything got bunched up, and I just had to free time up so I can be here and spend my time here, because I'm gonna be honest, man, I enjoy it more here. So those 2 weeks that I cleared up, oh, just wait, cool videos are gonna be on their way. So yeah, I'm sorry. Second is I'm gonna be reviewing this turn in between the video and all that. But the first thing I want to say is this is a turn disposable. It's a 1 grammer, and the one thing that I like the most is it has USB-C, fast charging. We'll get into the other few features in a couple seconds. So the third is my boxing and fishing videos. Hey, my cat is playing around with my blinds. I'm sorry. So my boxing and fishing videos. I know I said that I was gonna upload this and that about my boxing and fishing videos, but my boxing videos, I'm still working out. I'm still... Hey, desen en paz, cabrones. These motherfuckers, bro. I'm still training, still doing that, working hard. But, I'm trying to learn new things, and I'm trying to implement them in the video so I can teach you guys, this and that. And my fishing videos. So I'm not gonna cap, I was gonna make one like 3 days ago, but I'm a little bit rusty and I wasn't sure if I was gonna catch anything. So, I didn't want to embarrass myself. But at the end of the day, I ended up catching a little panfish or crappie, bluegill, whatever you want to call it. I'm gonna leave a little picture right here of the little dude. And sometime this week, hopefully I can make a fishing video, because I kind of got the groove back. So stay tuned for one of those videos. The boxing videos, they're gonna come through. Just give me a minute, just give me some time. The fourth one is this weekend. There's a show coming up, and I am planning on going. So stay tuned for that video too. And now, back to the pod. I just wanted to clear all that stuff out, let you guys know. And I mean, this is going to be a little quick video, not too long. So, right here, it has a little like U's, you can say, but that's for the airflow. And let me tell you, man, it gives some great airflow. Like, if you take a nice rip, man, you can rip it. And you can take some nice little hits out of it, like when you take those rips. Cause let me take water. Excuse me. It's just, we don't lie around here. I tried making 3 videos and my phone was not cooperating. So I had to remake them. And on those 3 videos, I kept saying, if you take nice rips, you could get a nice hit. And I've been taking some nice hits, and I don't like them because I don't like being this lit. I mean, I do, but damn. So, I'm already halfway through it, and I could say that I love these, and not only because I'm halfway through it, but because I purchased these a lot already. The one that I had before was an indica, and since indica, puts you to sleep, it's dark. It's in black color. This one, since it's a sativa, obviously, you get hyped. It's daytime. The hybrids, they're black, because usually, hybrids, they always lean more towards indica. So the other thing is, the one that I had before was a watermelon, and if you have these disposables around you, I highly recommend you get the ones that have the most flavor, because this at 100% is great. I'm just saying, man. Let's go ahead and take a nice hit, take a nice little rip out of it, so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Big clouds. Look. I was getting bigger clouds on the other videos, but oh damn, yeah, they hit. If you're a fan of taking blinkers, this is like a 12-second maybe. I'm not 100% sure because I never take blinkers. But if you like taking blinkers, man, like to get baked, this is the one, man. I mean, Stizzy, if you have the fat battery, that works too. But, and then if you have, the other type of cartridges, the circle ones, if you put it all the way up, that works too. But if you're trying to look for a disposable, I highly recommend this. Yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm sorry, if I haven't been uploading, and I'm gonna get back in my groove. So this week, hopefully, stay tuned for a fishing video, and if not this weekend, for sure stay tuned for this show that's gonna go down, and I'm really excited for it. I'm gonna review it more on the next video. If not, you guys are just gonna see it. And let's go ahead and take one more rip just to end this quick video. And I hope you guys, are staying hydrated and staying nice and cool, and I hope you guys are like, from the worst to the good. I hope you guys can see that whatever bad happened, there is still some good, like you can't really look all on the negative, So let's go ahead and take this look. Bro, this apple flavor goes hard. Like I just want to give an example. Like, for me, I didn't think I was gonna catch anything on the fishing video, and I didn't record, and I was really sad. But I ended up catching something, and I was there for a few hours, so I didn't just want to upload a video and not show that I didn't catch anything. Like, I mean, even though there's a lot of days that you will get days that you don't catch nothing, but I'm kind of rusty and I just didn't want to embarrass myself. And then when it was towards sundown, I get a bite. But I can't focus on the negative of me not recording it. Let's look at the positive. I got a bite, which means I'm back in my groove. So just stay tuned, and I hope you guys enjoyed. And man, I love these. I love these so much that I put my buddies under these, and they be getting them for weeks, man. Like they be buying 3 at a time, 4 at a time. And I be even having like hella, like I'm not sponsored or anything with, I'd love to, cause fuck. But yeah, man, these are nice. So y'all stay out of trouble, and stay connected, and have peace. And I hope you guys stay hydrated, and I hope you guys are doing great, and you guys have a wonderful day, and all that positive good shit. So I'll catch you guys on the next video, and peace. Gallo fucking out. Nos vamos aquí porque verga, ya estoy bien marihuano. Peace.